Today we'll learn about diode. What are the types of diode? What is the working of diode? And what are the application of diode? And also about PN junction diode. So let's begin. So what is diode? Diode, it is two-terminal electronic component that conduct current only in one directions. So it act as वन वे स्विच. ये एक स्विच, एक वन वे स्विच की तरह काम करता है. डायोड इज मेड ऑफ two type of material, which is p and n type of material. It has two terminal, namely anode and cathode. दो terminal होते हैं diode के, which are anode and cathode. Device can be operated by controlling voltage applied to it. This device is operated by controlling voltage applied to it. So an ideal diode has zero resistance in one direction and infinite resistance in reverse direction. But in practical, diode cannot achieve zero or infinite resistance. Diode will have negligible resistance in one direction to allow current to flow, and very high resistance in reverse direction to prevent current to flow. Practically, diode cannot achieve zero or infinite resistance. So now, what are the types of diode? So here are the symbol and the type of diode, which is Zener diode, Schottky diode, tunnel diode, LED, which is light emitting diode, photodiode, laser diode, current regulator diode, and varactor diode. These are the types of diode. Now, working of diode. When voltage applied to anode is positive with respect to cathode, then diode is forward bias. If voltage applied to diode is greater than threshold level, which is maximum level, which is limit, so the limit is 0.6 volt, then it act as a short circuit, allow current to flow. Now if polarities change, which is in reverse bias, means cathode is made positive with respect to anode, then it is reverse bias. It act as an open circuit, result no current to flow. अगर polarity change हो जाती है, it means cathode is made positive with respect to anode, so diode is in reverse bias. It act as an open circuit, इसमें कोई current flow नहीं होगा. Now you can see the diagram. Now what is PN junction diode? It is most common type of diode. It has two types. In this, one material is n type, in which electrons are the charge carrier, and second is p type, in which holes are the charge carrier. PN diode is two terminal device, allow electric current to flow in only in one direction, and which blocks electric current in opposite direction. So if diode is in forward bias, it allow electric current to flow. If it is in reverse bias, it blocks electric current to flow. Now biasing of PN diode. Process of applying external voltage is called biasing. एक्सटर्नल वोल्टेज हम अगर PN डायोड में अप्लाई करते हैं, वो प्रोसेस को हम बायसिंग बोलते हैं. तो देर आर टू मेथड, फॉरवर्ड बायस एंड रिवर्स बायस. दो टाइप से हम बायस करते हैं PN डायोड को, फॉरवर्ड बायस एंड रिवर्स बायस. इन फॉरवर्ड बायस, it allow electric current to flow under forward bias condition, in which p type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of battery, where n type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of battery. In reverse bias condition, it blocks electric current to flow. Under reverse bias condition, p type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal of battery, and n type semiconductor is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Now you can see the biasing of PN diode. Now, what are the application of diode? In communication system as limiters, clippers, gates. In computer system, diode used as logic gates. In power supply system, it used as rectifier, inverter. In television system as phase detector, limiters and clampers. In radar circuit as gain control circuit, parameter amplifier and voltage multiplier. I hope you guys understand.